Roles determine your employees' or users' permissions in ESS. Each user must be assigned to at least one role. It is possible to be assigned to multiple roles. The Roles section in Setup shows you all the roles in ESS. Those with the lock icon next to them are system roles which we have created for you. To add users to these roles, click Edit. It is important to note that while you may add and remove users to and from these roles, the role settings and permissions cannot be edited. Nevertheless, you should familiarize yourself with the permissions of these default roles. If you would like to define specific permissions for users, you must create your own user roles. Click the Create a Role button. A wizard appears. The indicator at the top shows you how many steps there are and where you are in the process. In the Setup step, name and describe your role. Next, set permissions. The matrix shows permissions for each module and page within ESS. For each of these, you will determine whether users in this role may view, create, edit, and/or deactivate. You may turn switches on or off individually, or for an entire module or action. You can also search for a specific module. And if you're unsure where to begin, you may copy the permissions of an existing role to use as a starting point. When creating a managerial role, click the Special Permissions tab to set managerial permissions. Use the drop-downs to set view, create, edit, and deactivate permissions to individual, department, or organization level. Next, you'll add your users. You can add users all at once or remove them all. You can add them one by one, using the search bar to add users quickly. If you're creating your role before you've added your employees to the system, don't worry. You can always come back and add users to the role later. Finally, review your settings and click Save. Your new role is added to the list. The absence of a lock icon indicates that this is a user role.